Day 22 of learning German without memorizing words. Today, we are burning the most hated grammar charts in the world. Adjective endings. Traditional schools make you memorize 3 separate giant grids just to figure out if a word is gute, guten, or gutes. It completely paralyzes you mid-sentence. Stop doing that. Here is the 90% cheat code. Look at the article out front. If that article has been shifted by an accusative attack or a dative parking spot, the adjective automatically ends in en. Remember day 17? I have the dog shifts to den, so the small dog becomes I have the smallen Hund. Day 18 dative. I am in the kitchen shifts to der. The old kitchen becomes I am in the olden Küche. If the article changes shape, the adjective gets an en. Hit follow for day 23, where we face the final phase 3 boss fight to conquer the entire case matrix.